I hope this Figma Bite helps speed up your Figma workflow just a little bit. I hope this Figma Bite helps you give your files the cleaning we all know they need. I hope this Figma Bite helps you keep your work area as spaced out as you need it to be. I hope this Figma Bite helps you keep your cool with colors. I hope this Figma Bite helps you keep your layers panel looking luscious. I hope this Figma Bite helps you get up and running with Figma without too many hurdles. I hope this Figma Bite helps you focus on frames more effectively than before. You lay out ludicrous layers in your Figma files. You craft comprehensive creations. You be victorious with variants. You change tools without a hitch. You bravely branch buttons and more. You promptly prove your pasting powers. You control your creations with consistent configurations. It makes masking more manageable for the masses. Quickly copy copious creations to collaborate with colleagues. You become a Boolean boss. Integrate interesting interactions into infinite iterations. I hope this Figma Bite wasn't too big to swallow and that it prepped you with pixel-pushing property perfection. Carefully craft complexly connected creations. Prep perfect prototypes for people to play with. Take the tedious tentacles out of your prototypes. It saves you some selection sanity. Slap some sizzling slots into your systems. You successfully sequester smart animations. You wayfind willingly while working wisely. Find finicky frames for fixing. You lay out ludicrous layers in your Figma files. You make saucy scrolling sticky navs for all your needs. You vibe with variables. You build a victoriously variable vernacular. You bravely battle booleans in your brilliant prototypes. You nerd out with numerals. You string together sophisticated prototypes. You add some pop to your prototypes. You manipulate multiple moments more meaningfully. You dial in developer details. You capture connections creatively. Pleasantly play with productivity. You manage modes mindfully. Produce pixel perfection, vamp up visuals with video, shift to sampling styles with satisfaction, create color collections quickly, proactively plug away at plugins, actively automate annoying tasks with AI,